This is result. Absolute error is in both cases. Whether it is plus result, whether it is minus. This is already done. X A into B, X A by B. Delta X by X, relative error. Take power to side 1. Delta A by A. Take power to side delta B by B. We have already done them. These are the formula for numericals. Now questions. Temperature of 2 hot baths was found. (47, 3 degrees Celsius, 71.2 degrees Celsius, plus minus 0.1, plus minus 0.2. Find temperature difference within error limits. This is a question, numerical. What is given? T1 degree Celsius, delta T1 0.1 degrees Celsius, T2 71.2 degrees Celsius, delta T2 degrees Celsius. T plus minus delta T we have to find. This is temperature difference. So what is T? T2 minus T1. T2 71.2 minus 47.3. It is 9. 3. 2 degrees Celsius. Delta T. So whether it is sum, result is sum or difference, in both cases it is what? Delta T2 plus delta T1. It is what? 0.2, 0.1. It is 0.3 degrees Celsius. So what is T plus minus delta T? It is 23.9 plus minus 0.3 what? Degree Celsius. sides of rectangle are, another question, 10 plus minus 5 centimeter and 6 plus minus 2 centimeter. Find circumference. Within error limits. This is another numerical. Sides of rectangle are L 10 centimeter, delta L 0.5 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter, delta B 0.2 centimeter, circumference within error limits. What is circumference? It is 2. L plus B. 2 is 2. Here, this length plus this length, 2L. This breadth, 2B. Circumference, L 10, B was 6. 32 centimeter. Delta S 2, no error at all. No. Sum. Result is sum. Delta L plus delta B. Delta L 5. So S plus minus delta S is what? Plus minus 0.7 what? Centimeter. Another numerical. 10 plus minus 0.2 ampere of current flows in a conductor when a potential difference 200 plus minus 5 volt is applied across its two ends. Find resistance within error limits. Current 10 ampere. Delta A absolute error is what? 2 ampere. Flows through a conductor of potential difference capital V, 200 volt. Delta V 0.5 volt. Find resistance within error limits. This is Ohm's law. We know R V by I V 200 I 10. It is what? 20 ohm. Delta R by R. Division, multiplication, whatever. Delta V by V. Delta I by I. Delta R. Delta V by V. Delta I by I into R. Because I have found this R, I want to find delta R. So delta V, it is 0.5 by V, 200. Delta I, it is 0.2 by 10 into R. R is what? 20. Delta R it is 5 by 2000 2 by 100 into 20 LCM say 2000 5 20 it is 40 45 into 20 by 0 2 5. This is what delta R. What ohm? R plus minus delta R 20 plus minus 5 ohm. another numerical, two resistances 20 plus minus 0.4 ohm and 8 plus minus 0.2 ohm are connected in series. Find equivalent resistance within error limits. Two resistances R1 20 ohm, delta R1 5 ohm. This is that resistance first. This is resistance, this is absolute error in this resistance. Similarly R2 8 ohm, delta R2 it is 0.2 ohm. But we have to find the equivalent resistance within. So what is R? Series. It is R1 plus R2. R1 20, R2 8, 28 ohm. The result is sum. So whether result is sum is difference, the absolute error remains same. So delta R is what? Delta R1 plus delta R2. It is 0.4. It is 0.2, 0.6 watt ohm. Therefore, R plus minus delta R is 28 plus minus 0.6 ohm. A resistance 100 plus minus 0.5 ohm is carrying current 10 plus minus 0.2 ampere. What is potential difference? Within error limits. A resistance 100 ohm, absolute error 0.5 ohm, carrying a current 10 ampere, absolute error 0.2 ampere. Find potential difference within error limits. We know VRI Ohm's law. R, it is 100 I, it is 10, it is 1000 volt. Delta V, तो एब्सोल्यूट एरर की बजाय क्या आएगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, रिलेटिव बाई बी, डेल्टा आर बाई आर, डेल्टा आई बाई आई, डेल्टा बी, डेल्टा आर बाई आर, डेल्टा आई बाई आई into V, delta R 0.5 by 100, delta I 0.2, it was 0.5 by I 10 into V, V is what? 1000. Delta V it is 5 by 1000, remove point, it is 2 by 100 into what? 1000. LCM 1000, 5 plus 20 into 1000 goes with this. This is what? 100. So V plus delta V is what? 1000 plus minus 100 watt volt. Another question. Percentage error. In measurement of time period and length of simple pendulum are 2% and 3% respectively. Find percentage error in measurement of acceleration due to gravity. Another numerical. Percentage matter, time period, Time period. It is 2%. Length. It is 3%. What we have to calculate, this thing I have to calculate. We know time period, that is T, 2 pi L by Z. T square, 4 pi square L by Z. What I have to calculate this one? Take G this side, 4 pi square L by T square. Percentage error. No error. 4 no error, pi square no error. Now division with power. So take power to side. By T square plus, whether it is multiplication or division plus, take power to side. So this is what? 3%. This is what? 2 into, this is what? 2%. So it is 3 plus 4, 7%. A result, another numerical, P A square B root C D cube. Where percentage error in measurement of A, B, C, D are 1, 2, 3, 4% respectively. Find percentage error in measurement of result. P A square B root C what I want to find is what? Delta P by P into 100. Percentage error in measurement of result. The P is result. So this is percentage error. Multiplication, division, what? Take power to side, power is 1. Delta A by A. Take power to side, plus. Whether division or multiplication, no problem. So this is 2. Delta A by A. Half. Delta B by B. Power is 1. Delta C into 100. Into 100. Delta C by C into 100. Plus 3 delta D by D into 100. 2 this one 1%, this one 2%, this one 3%, this one 4%, it is 2, it is 1, 3, 12, 15, 16, 18. So this is what percentage error in result. Another numerical. Find percentage error in measurement of result. X AL B minus M C and D. This is the question. Solution: AL B minus M C N, it is D. It is AL BM CN, Then what? Delta x by x into 100. It is what? Take power to side, delta a by a into 100 plus whether multiplication division m delta b by b into 100 plus n delta c by c into 100 plus delta d by d into 100. So this is what? Find percentage error in measurement of result. Percentage error in measurement of radius of sphere is 3%. Find percentage error in measurement of its volume. This is given. This we have to find out. We know volume. Delta V by V into 100. No error. No error. Now R cube. Take power to side. It is 3. Delta R by R into 100. Okay. Power side, no error. No error. Take power to side, then delta R. It is what? 3. It is what? 3. So this is what? 9%. And